on the camera. Oh wait, I already did. Are you taking it?
Dylan.
Oh yeah, Maris, you quit your MySpace.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did you already get the part where
I'm in a magazine.
Can I see the front of your magazine?
Maris, can you give me the graham crackers?
No.
Make us some more.
No.
Graham crackers.
What did I say? I said not another peep out of you, Missy.
Marshmallows. Give me the damn crackers.
Don't throw stuff at the cameraman, woman.
No! You don't understand my marshmallow. Here, take it. You're ready.
What do, don't let Tosh get it.
Nuh-uh, man. You ain't touching them.